clarify, I think many misunderstood the word bloodbath, and many didn't want to understand.
Here's proof that Philippine Vice President Sara Duterte is totally lost and in need of psychiatric help. Does she actually know the definition of bloodbath, or is she just using words she doesn't understand?
Refuse to understand what it meant. We have always said that the impeachment is a political persecution. It is the administration going after me after I resigned from the cabinet. And if it's a persecution, it's some sort of crucifixion against me. Diba? And so when there's a crucifixion, there's blood. So it's a bloodbath, my bloodbath. So I'm just sad that many people refuse to understand the context wherein I give